Besa.
It's a word that doesn't mean much if you're from outside of Albania. But if you're from inside of Albania, Besa is the most important word. And that word means honoring your word. In the country of Albania, if you say you're gonna do something,
You do it.
if you promise or besa to return money you borrowed, you have to return it and honor your word.
You have my Besa.
And even during World War II, when Jews were killed all over Europe, Albanians gave their besa, or their promise, to help Jews and protect them. And no matter how hard it was, they did. It was one of the very few countries to do so. Just ask their president.
I'm the president of Albania. No single Jew was delivered to the Nazis, because we are the nation of Mother Teresa.
If there's anything we can learn from the Albanians is that if you give your word, you keep it, even if it means risking your life. In a world full of broken promises, we could all use a little bit more Besa in our lives. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow, and that's my Besa.